How to create transparent widgets on Android. What is up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create transparent widgets on your Android device. So you can do that by first adding widgets on your home screen. Let me just quickly do that. I'm going to go to my widget section down below. And then let me just go ahead and add a clock widget and a weather widget. So what I'll do is go over to clock, and then I'm going to add the clock widget right here, just like this. Once you have added your clock widget, then all you have to do is long press on it. And to make it transparent, you can go to the settings menu. Now from settings here, you can change your clock style, and then you can find a transparency tab at the bottom. So all you have to do is just move the transparency tab all the way to the left so that it becomes much more transparent. And if you want it light, you could do that. If you want it dark, you could do that as well. And if I move the transparency slider all the way to the right, it's going to be very opaque. And if I move it to the left, it's going to be transparent. You can even change different clock styles over here. And once you are done, don't forget to tap on the save button at the bottom right. Now, as you can see here, if I move this to the middle of my screen, it's pretty transparent. The right side of my wallpaper is bright, so the right side of the widget is also looking pretty bright. And the left side is pretty dark, and it's looking pretty dark. It's not completely transparent, but you can further customize it if you have a flagship level of device, something like Samsung S24 Ultra. You can download applications like GoodLock to completely customize your widgets. That is basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next